This is a complete sham, and somebody who is pretending to take care of. Let's keep going. There's more. And in these videos, it's one of two things. One, these people are paid. They're in on it. They're acting. They're making it part of the show, so that he can get views, he can get followers, he can get likes and clicks to be able to book all of his seminars around the world. Or they're just gullible people looking for an answer. And he's taking advantage of that. It's one of the two.